Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto. I am your host, BitBoy. Today we are going to be looking at the VeChainThor Wallet. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, then we'd love for you to become part of our community. We call our community the Bit Squad, and we would love for you to join it. Just click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Also, if you're new to the channel, we're giving away $500 in Bitcoin. All you got to do, click the subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment on some videos, and you can actually get the full details down below in the video description. So, as I mentioned, today we're reviewing the VeChainThor Wallet. We've actually got a lot of cool wallet reviews coming up. I've got some hardware wallet reviews. I've got KeepKey and the Cool S that they sent me to review, which is pretty sweet. So we're going to be doing those over the next week. But today I want to do VeChainThor because I downloaded a couple weeks ago to do it, but it wasn't ready yet. So now the wallet is ready. However, a couple things we need to talk about before we get into the review. Number one, if you've owned VeChain in the past, it was VEN. So VEN is an ERC20. It's built on Ethereum. Now that the mainnet has launched, there is a token swap. So now you must use VET. And that stands for VeChainThor instead of just VeChain, which was the VEN. And this wallet can only hold VET. So do not send your VEN to this wallet. If you have it on an exchange, then the exchanges in the next 3 or 4 days are actually going to start the process of doing the swap. So unfortunately, since Binance, which is the primary exchange I use, hasn't done it yet, I'm not actually able to do a live transaction. But we're going to go over the interface, the settings, how to set the wallet up, and everything like that. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. So as you can see here at the bottom of my iPhone, I have the VeChainThor logo or icon. It's a V with a Thor hammer in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to set up a new wallet. So up in the top right hand corner, you will see 3 lines. You just click that and hit create wallet. So you're going to want to name this wallet. We're going to call it BitBoy Test, not BitB, BitBoy Test. We're going to set our password, so BitBoy12. So you're going to have full access to this wallet that I'm setting up here, but it's a dummy wallet. There's not going to be anything in it. So if you want to hack into it, have fun with that. So I accept user service agreement. We're going to hit create wallet. So now I was going to talk about your mnemonic phrase. You're going to have a phrase that you're going to be given as 12 words, also known as a seed phrase, and you're going to have to keep up with this phrase. If you lose it, you will lose access to your wallet. So we're going to click how to backup here. And basically it just says that you're going to need to store this on something non-digital, or at least not online, because then someone could access it. Like we know Ian Bellina got hacked and stuff like that, which may have been a big setup, but that's a different story. So we're going to back up the mnemonic phrase. So confirm you're ready. Yes, we're going to have to put the password in. So put this in here. Okay. Now they're going to give me my mnemonic phrase. I'm not going to want to screenshot it, obviously, as they're saying here. So I'm going to hit understand. So all I need to do is type in, or I need to go through this list of my mnemonic phrases. But as I go, I need to jot them down. So just for our purposes, I'm going to jot them down as we go just on my computer because it's going to ask me to verify them. So view age negative. Next, we've got blame effort shell. Okay. We've got kangaroo wealth upon. Kangaroo wealth. That sounds like something pretty cool for you Australia people. That means you got a lot of Joeys, I suppose. Okay. No keen dust. Also, make sure you know your Binance dust. There you go. Okay, we're going to hit complete. Now it's going to ask us to put them in. So it's going to give you a little quiz here. So we've got view, age, negative. Okay, then we have blame effort shell. Okay, then we have obviously the kangaroo wealth, as I referred to earlier, upon. And then we have no keen dust. We're going to hit complete. Confirmed. Now the phrases are going to be deleted from the wallet. So it's important that you have these backed up somewhere. Okay. All right. So now we have created our wallet. And if you have 2 wallets here, as you can see, I can scroll back and forth between one or the other. So we're going to focus here on the BitBoy Test wallet. First thing to notice down at the bottom, there are two different assets you can own here. You can own VET, which is VeChainThor, or VTHO, which is VeThor. So kind of one thing VeChain is doing is branding everything to start with V. Like with the cryptocurrency Eternity, everything starts with AE. So with VeChain, I think the plan is for them to brand all their assets and things they're doing on the platform starting with VE. So that's why VTHO is VeThor. And of course, VeChain is VeChainThor. But basically what VeThor is it is like the gas for Neo. Like if you own Neo, you get gas and residuals. That is what VeThor is for VeChain. So, or for VeChainThor. It's going to be quite a gap between when I just remember to always say VeChainThor because the mainnet is launched. But you can actually view those assets. You can click the eyeball and it'll turn into an eyelid and then you can't see the exact numbers. So don't really know why you would necessarily want to do that. But there you go. Maybe if you're doing a wallet review, there you go. And you don't want people to know you don't own any. But I do have some VeChain VEN. And once the swap happens, I will be moving those to my regular wallet. So let's go ahead and click on the wallet itself here. And you can see that this will take you to your QR code. And this is where you would want to send some. So you'd want to type in whatever number. If you want to send 20 VETs, you could do that. You can copy the wallet address here at the bottom pretty easily. So that is the wallet itself. And of course, that is your public key that we just talked about. So let's go down to the bottom of the page or of the app here, and you can see assets, and then next you have rewards. So we're going to click on rewards, and this is a process of binding an X node to your wallet. So I don't have an X node, so I'm not going to actually be able to do this, but I'm going to show you guys the process for how you get as far as I can get on the wallet. You click X node binding, and you select your wallet. So we'll select BitBoy Test here, hit confirm. Okay, and then you would basically put in your Ethereum VEN wallet address, and you know, my Ether wallet address did not work for this, so I'm not sure if it has to be something specific or if you, I guess you have to have already created an X node for that address to be registered in the system. So I can't go any further than this. I can't do the X node verification. So for you guys who do have those, congratulations. Look forward to your residuals. So that is the X node binding. So if we go back to the bottom of the app, then the last tab is Me. So you can click Me. This is where you'll be able to manage your wallets. As you can see, I have 2 wallets here. You could also create another wallet or import a wallet at the bottom, as you can see. The X node binding here takes you right back to where we just were. Then contacts. You can add contacts. These would be people that you're trying to exchange VET with. Whether you're sending or receiving, you would have the contacts. And if you click the plus button, you will see that it will have the person's name and then their address or their public key. So that's how you add a contact. For settings, it's basically language. Spoiler alert, it's English or Chinese. So you click here, it's basically Chinese or English, as I said. So you can switch back and forth between those. You can change your login password here. This is what you log in with when you first open your wallet. But I use Touch ID for that. But I do have one of these set. I don't want to show you guys that, obviously. And then we have Touch ID. Like I said, that's what I use to log into my wallet with. So then you have the About, and this will take you to the service agreement and privacy policy. What percentage of people do you think read that? It's pretty long, as you can see. There are people out there that I'm sure read all this stuff word for word. I don't know who they are. The people that love reading 200-page white papers. But then they have the contact address at the bottom, you can see as well. This will also tell you your version number. So right now I'm version 1.0.2. And that is pretty much everything at the bottom. If we go back to the top right here and click the 3 lines, you'll also see a few more options here. You have scan, which you click that, and obviously it will turn to a QR code. As you can see, I'm in my little box here. Scan me. Anyways, I hope my face was on that. I have no way to verify. But so that's how you would want to scan someone else's address in. So we'll go back over here. You can once again create a wallet, which I've already showed you guys how to do. And then the last thing is XNode binding again to go here. They've got a lot of inroads to that same spot. So the last thing is on the assets list. If we click either one of these assets, it will take us to the actual individual wallet within the wallet, I guess you could say. It will show you your transactions, how much you own. You can receive here by clicking right here. You can also transfer by clicking here, and then you would put in the other person's address and the amount. And this is going to show you the transaction fee, 30 VTHOs. Not exactly sure how much that is right now. I believe VTHO is going on exchanges later this month, so it'll be pretty interesting with some Ethereum pairs. I'm not sure what other pairs will be included. But yeah, that's pretty much the wallet. This is the official VeChainThor wallet. I like it. I think it is really cool, and it's pretty easy to manage. Wish I would have grabbed one of those X nodes. That would have been pretty cool to get some residuals. I believe the VTHO, even if you don't have an X node, you're still going to get residuals on. Could be wrong about that. You guys let me know if I am wrong. But the X node, of course, would be kind of like just a master node, so you'd be getting more VeChainThor. I believe that's how that works. Like I said, if I got some of that wrong, you guys drop me a comment and let me know. So that is the wallet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to become a member of the Bit Squad. Just click the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you get notifications. Don't forget about our $500 Bitcoin contest. We're doing a live stream later today, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys are available for that, especially if you're in the Bit Squad. I want to see you guys there. So until next time, BitBoy out.